Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. We got a massive swan gourd we're gonna harvest and cut it open inside. I'm gonna tell you why I left this swan gourd to overgrow. Let's pick this up. This thing is massive. Oh my god. So we got two more over here. Look at the size. I'm gonna tell you, people eat them and some people don't eat them. So my little helper Jax. Jax, what do you think about the swan gourd?
It's real big.
It's big. It's massive. So right here we're gonna eat these two or fry this with some chicken. We got a nice small one, but you can see how this shaped like a swan gourd. The reason why I let this swan gourd grow so big is because we're in fall time, we're getting into winter time, and I need seeds. So instead of buying more seeds, we'll just save our seeds right here. So I'm gonna just cut it to show you quick. All right. Hold on. So you could also have this in salad, but it has a lot of seeds. Alright, so that's the seed, how it looks right there. And this is how it inside looks. Very soft, really nice, tasty, and delicious. I got about 30 something seeds from just not even half of it right here. I'm gonna wash them out, and what I'm gonna do, get all the gel stuff over it, soak it in a container of water, leave it for a day and just stir it like 1 or 2 times. And what's gonna happen, any seeds that float above the water, like at the top, those are empty. And the one that sits on the bottom, those are the healthy seed. But what I did, I left this to overgrow because it's end of the season. So the fruit is way overgrown, the seed is way mature. So 99.9% most of my seed are fully developed. So I'm gonna have like all seeds. Somebody's lighting up a firework. That way we could always get more swan gourd. Now, as I said, swan gourd, some people use it to make bird home because they dry it out, they empty it inside and dry it out. This whole process. One day I'm gonna have to do that. And then they could make like coffee cup holder and all kind of, you know, fun craft stuff. But there's people like me who we eat it, or we feed like our animals, our pigs and stuff. You could feed them because it's very delicious, very soft, moist. It cooks fast and it's very tasty. The only thing is when you're gonna cook it, you have to harvest really early stage. Soon as they're like started to shape like a swan gourd, you want to harvest right away. You do not want them to overgrow it because then you have a lot of seeds, bigger seeds. You want to get them with less seeds. So this right here, what I just did there, you could harvest, you could do the same with most of your vegetables and save them throughout the year. Say you have a nice squash plant and you love your squash. Close to the ending of the season, leave one of the squash to overgrown, fully overgrown, massive squash. And then when you cut it lightly in the middle, you're gonna get all that seeds. Do the same process I did. Wash them out and air dry them, and then within a week after them, store them away somewhere really nice. Swan gourd, speckled bottle gourd, speckled swan gourd, I like daisy gourd and stuff like that, pumpkins and stuff. They all grow really well in the fall weather. And they're big plants, just like pumpkin and stuff. So you gotta make sure you fertilize twice in a month. If you're using an all-purpose fertilizer, you have to increase the nitrogen and increase the calcium as a big bonus. But if you feed them well, water them well, and you have enough space in your garden, they will grow and produce a lot. Have you ever tried to grow in swan gourd or bottle gourd? Comment below, let me know your experience. And I just love it overall. You could even leave this on your front porch for a couple days, maybe to get a little decoration. Look at that, we could grow a vegetable that's shaped like a swan right in our garden. How amazing that is. So before I go, I just wanted to say to anyone who's from Florida or North Carolina, or anyone from those places impacted by the hurricane, you know, for me and my family, we praying for you guys. Hopefully you get a faster recovery, healthy recovery. It's really very sad. We saw all the YouTube videos on it, and we saw all this stuff, and it's scary, man. Can't believe all that's going on and happening with Mother Nature. Could be deadly. And then there's another hurricane on the way. So if all you guys could send a little prayer, even a little donation, we all try to make a small donation everywhere else. There's a lot of organization that you guys could help, and a lot of people are trying to help you guys. So thank you for everyone who's been trying to help out everybody. There's good in humanity out here still left, and prayers goes out to everybody out there. You know, that flood, we saw it, and it's just really sad. It's very scary and sad to see all the people and see all the animals and all the home and washed away. Everything is washing away. You can't get food, and you know, there's no electric, there's nothing. It's just heartbreaking, man. We're in 2024, and it's so sad to see, you know, what's going on right now. But Mother Nature is very strong. So the next hurricane that's coming into Florida, you guys, you know, take it serious. Prep up. You got kids, you got animals, think about them. If you have to move, you got time to move, secure your place, be smart about it and be safe about it, man, because you never know with this storm right now. It's It's very sad, I gotta tell you. I really pray for everybody out there to save. And thank you so much for everybody who's watching. Please offer your prayers. Prayers are very powerful, and that could definitely change and help a lot to everybody out there. All right, so hang in there, Florida, and everyone. Thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden, and I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully this storm, hopefully blows away or do not impact them really bad, because it's kind of scary, man.